Sean again, an application engineer here at DATAC Instruments. In this video tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of downloading data from your Ethernet-connected DI-4000 series instrument. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to connect your DI-4000 series instrument to a PC via USB and assign the unit an IP address. To do so, you'll select your device in the WinDAC dashboard and choose Ethernet Settings from the Configure pull-down menu. There you can assign the unit a static IP address or configure it as a DHCP device. With an IP address assigned and the unit connected via Ethernet, choose the device in the WinDAC dashboard and select File Management from the Configure pull-down menu. In the File Management window, you'll find all of the data files that have been recorded to the USB flash drive. Simply select a file and click the Retrieve button. By default, the file will be saved on the C drive under Program Files x86 in the DATAC Instruments directory in a subdirectory named for the serial number of your DI-4000 series device. With the file saved in the default directory or a folder of your choosing, simply double-click on the data file to open it in the WinDAC waveform browser, where you can save it in any number of different formats or perform some basic analysis.